Today I will talk about cartilage. Normal structure. Unlike bone, the cartilage lacks blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves. It may have focal areas of calcification. Cartilage consists of two components, cartilage matrix and chondrocytes. Cartilage matrix. Like bone, cartilage too consists of organic and inorganic material. Inorganic material of cartilage is calcium hydroxyapatite, similar to that in bone matrix, but the organic material of the cartilage is distinct from the bone. It consists of very high content of water, 80%, and remaining 20% consists of type 2 collagen and proteoglycans. High water content of cartilage matrix is responsible for function of articular cartilage and lubrication. Chondrocytes. Primitive mesenchymal cells which form bone cells from chondroblasts, which give rise to chondrocytes. However, calcified cartilage is removed by the osteoclasts. Depending upon location and structural composition. Cartilage is of three types. 1. Hyaline cartilage is the basic cartilaginous tissue comprising articular cartilage of joints, cartilage in the growth plates of developing bones, cartilage in the trachea, bronchi and the nasal cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is the type found in most cartilage-forming tumors, and in the fracture callus. 2. Fibrocartilage is a hyaline cartilage that contains more abundant type 2 collagen fibers. It is found in annulus fibrosus of intervertebral disc, menisci, insertions of joint capsules, ligament and tendons. Fibrocartilage may also be found in some cartilage-forming tumors and in the fracture callus. 3. Elastic cartilage is hyaline cartilage that contains abundant elastin. Elastic cartilage is found in the pinna of ears, epiglottis, and arytenoid cartilage of the larynx.